Everyone, welcome to Sehan Church Philippines. Sehan means World Mission, and here in Sehan Church we are all Filipinos. Although the name of our church is a Korean name, but we are all Filipinos except our senior pastor. So this week I'm gonna introduce to you all our ministries from Tuesday until Sunday that we are engaging, and we help our community, our members at the same time to have a deeper relationship and have a growing faith in the Lord. So, let's go. And so one of our tasks for this week is to visit this place in Jalden New York Church. So, we will put some additional aircon here. So after natin sa church, we bought here fruits. Go back to church for lunch. So after from Mother Church, we already go back here in the church to prepare for our ministry. We are waiting for other church member from other church also, because we will gonna eat together for our ministry before we leave here. 5. Sobrang payat oh. Ano ba nangyari sa kamay mo?
Oo nga dyan eh. Hindi oh.
May sinuntok ka.
So medyo they are few today because of some happenings yesterday. So there is an issue from one of them. Got iPhone cellphone from one of the customer nearby. So all of them searched by the police, and no one admit who is the one who do that. So that's why now they are only few. Si Marvin po. So after in the Korean grocery, we will go to Robinson Supermarket to buy for our jail ministry. Since there is repairing of roads, that's why this much are traffic here, heavy traffic. You know what, whenever I am in the grocery, usually from this kind of from this time of month, Burr months, so you will hear this kind of Christmas songs here. So that is one thing that I love when I go to the grocery, since my birthday is Burr month, so I love listening from those kind of Christmas songs. Salt lang. Good morning everyone. So, medyo maaga tayo today. Yan, so another journey going to Manila. The stamping a passport. So we're gonna get it from immigration. What is YT is here? And so finally we are done with our transactions in the immigration. So now I'll go back to Cavite for a lesson naman for the Korean language. Let's go. So since I was using always an LRT station, I mean an LRT train, so I decided to bought my beep card for the convenience of not buying the ticket because I need to file there to buy a ticket. So I can use this beep card, LRT and MRT station. So finally nakabalik na tayo. Already come back here in the church. So lunch lang tayo, then we're gonna have our Korean language class. So this is our lunch, kimchi rice and egg. So let's have a quick lunch for the lesson today. Let's go.
Yung hahabulin niya. Hindi niya po hahabulin hanggang third ka. Ganun po. So pag sinulat niyo po, yung child, yun lang. Okay po. Ilan na lang po kulang po? 5 na lang po. So ang nawawala na lang po.
So good morning everybody. Today is Thursday. So we have our jail ministry, but before we go there, so we will just bring our pastor in one church, then we will go directly to jail. Let's go.
Pagmamahalan. So isa sa indikasyon na tayo po ay kaugnay sa Diyos ay meron tayong pagmamahal o tayo ay nagmamahal. Kasunod ni Jesus ay hindi pa rin sila naniniwala at hindi pa rin nila yung tinatanggap.
Scared. So we will go and attend to our Korean class today. So this is my second day in my Korean class. So after that, we're gonna have our prayer meeting later this evening. So for now, we will attend our Korean class. Let's go.
Hindi lamang ang ating mga kasalanan, kundi maging ang kasalanan ng lahat ng tao. Dakilang iyong managawa ay totoo. Wala kang katulad magpakailanman. Tunay kang tapat. Napakabuti mo, O Diyos.
And so today is Saturday and we are committing ourselves to the Ministry of Children. And since I've been a committed teacher before in this ministry, so I was assigned to commit again to this ministry. It's quite challenging for the time because we need to wake up early and prepare something for the kids. But I believe that it will be helpful for me at the same time to the church as we do this ministry for reviving our children commitments and to impart word of God to them. So samahan nyo kami today with my co-teachers na they are just fetching the children here in our place and to all our activity for today. Gotcha.
Paano? Paano kayo sasagot? Gusto ko.
Yung hindi makakaupo sa upuan, ready? Ready na mga? Yung kanilang pagmamahal, yung grace, service. So, mas ano ibig sabihin?
So hello everyone, today is Sunday. So um, as you be with me all throughout our journey from Tuesday of our ministry up until today, Sunday. So I hope makasama ko pa rin kayo because we have a lot of still works and ministry this Sunday. So um, it was quiet, busy day, but let us enjoy and be a blessing to everybody. So let's go. So we're done with our worship service today. So later, I'm gonna meet some of the leaders for our meeting regarding to our 20th anniversary. So still preparing for our anniversary this coming November. So I'm gonna have also a short vlog for our 20th anniversary. That would be a special day for us because it is our 20th. So, and so we're done with our meeting this afternoon. So I was not able to take the video because there is some important details that I cannot take it. So after this meeting, so this would be I think the last meeting that we will gonna have for this week ministry. So the Sunday prayer meeting, group ministry, and then we'll have our dinner with the worship team. And after that is their practice as their preparations for the next year mission trip.
Some people are always looking for more, but the God will love to give.
So this is a dinner treat for the mission team. Oh! We claim it! Don't us. So after our dinner, our worship team have their practice of Korean songs while I was waiting here because if we have still time, we can practice one of the parang gospel drama that we will present in our anniversary. So we're gonna go inside and see their practice. And so we're done with our ministry today and many works for this week. So we'll just check our church windows need to be open. So thank you for being with us all throughout the week of our ministry. So don't forget, always be with Jesus.